Hi, good morning, all of you. This is Swati. We will be starting the conference call monthly, daily. On the technical front, today the Nifty is likely to open on a positive note and we're likely to see some sideways momentum during the day. Yesterday, we got a very positive note on the GST. That's why we have seen a gap up opening, but somehow Nifty has faced very strong resistance of 50 days moving average, which comes to by 25,000 levels. From there onwards, we have hit selling pitches at their level and Nifty closed nearby these low, which comes nearby 24,730 levels, which gives some sort of a cautious signs on the technical front. Because from the last, Nifty has already made a 2 to 3 attempts to give the breakouts of the uh, 50 DMA, but some other reasons it's not able to give the breakout of the 50 DMA, which is the cautious and on the technical front. Now, going ahead, today is a weekend day. We might witness some sort of a profit booking at the higher level as well. So the view will remain cautious as long as Nifty does give the breaks of the 25,100 levels on the closing base. Till the time, we are likely to witness some sideways momentum or a range bound trading sessions. For the today intraday purpose, the first resistance is placed at around 24,800 levels. Any move above that level will see some further upside towards 24,870 to 24,940 levels on the high side. Whereas on lower side, for today intraday purpose, the support is placed at around 24,670, 24,600 levels. So the view is bit cautious. Try to avoid the major long positions on the in the market as such, and hold your long positions with strict stop losses. Coming towards the Bank Nifty, 54,540 is the initial resistance mark. Any momentum above these levels will see the extension of the positive move towards 54,770, 55,000 levels on the higher side, and the support is placed at around 54,000, 53,800 levels. So the view on both the indices will remain a cautious because continuously we are witnessing some sort of selling pressures at every resistance levels. I think that's it from my end. I request Amit to take a call for.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives of front, as we witnessed that in yesterday's session, Nifty managed to take the resistance at 25,000 mark. As I said yesterday only that the resistance zone for the Nifty is on the upside towards the 25,000 to 25,200 level, where we are seeing that the continuous addition of call writer is taking place. In yesterday's session also, almost around 10 million positions of call writer took place at 25,000 strike. So currently Nifty is likely to manage that range on the upside of 25 to 25 200, and on the downside the supportive range for the Nifty will be 24,500 to 24,300 level. Till that point of time, this support is getting holded. Till that point of time, we should hold the new long. We should hold the long positions. Then only if the support gets broken out of 24,300 level, then only fresh shots will be witnessed in the market. Till that point of time, market is likely to remain in this range. But currently, as per current data structure, we are seeing that a positive momentum will be witnessed again in the market towards the 25,000 mark. I think today's session also we are witnessing seeing that Gift Nifty is likely to open 50-60 points on the positive front. So in the first half of trading session, we will witness some sort of range bound momentum in the market. In the second half, we might witness some buying to be witnessed towards the 25,000 marker. So currently, whomsoever is holding the long position should hold with the support of 24,500 level in the short term scenario. While on the stock specific front, the overall sectoral front, auto finance and FMCG pack looks positive. Selective content that looks positive. Fresh Y positions took place and the short covering took place in yesterday's session was from Dabur, Britannia, DMart, and Muthoot Finance looks positive, while on the negative front, LIC, IPPL, Pharma, and Tata Power looks negative. So that's it from the front. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. On the update front, Zydus Life Science has entered into exclusive licensing and supply agreement with Synthen for Ozanimod capsules, which is the generic version. This is for the US market. The total addressable market for these capsules is approximately $637 million, as per the IQVIA MAT data for July 2025. So this is marginal positive for the company. Aarti Drugs a new manufacturing plant at Sayakha with a capacity of 60 metric tons per day for products like methylamine and trimethylamine has seen the commercial production yesterday. It has invested around 220 crore in this plant with a primary objective of backward integration to enhance supply chain reliability and to drive incremental margin expansion with sustained success in the operations in the future. So this is also positive for Aarti Drugs. Now, on the result front, yesterday Bluestone has posted the result. Result has improved for the quarter with the revenue growth of around 42% and margins has improved substantially. In the press release, the management highlighted that pre-Ind AS EBITDA reported at around 46 crore with margins at 99.4% versus negative 3.5% in the same quarter last year. Also, pre-Ind AS EBITDA excluding inventory gain reported at 23 crore with margins at 4.7%. On the operational metrics level, Triple SG for the stores operational in the last 12 months delivered at a strong 18.8% level. It has opened 17 stores during the quarter and has reported 34% growth in its overall customer base. The company has turned cash profit positive during the quarter with cash PAT of around 17 crore versus cash loss of around 36 crore in same quarter last year. The stock is valued at around 4.5 times to trailing 12-month sales. While we expect positive move in the stock, we will provide update from the con call scheduled today. Thank you.
Good morning. We attended the con call of Ashapura Mine Chem for the first quarter yesterday. The company reported robust growth with revenue of 1,355 crores, which has grown 90% YOY and 36% QOQ, and EBITDA has grown 106% YOY and 30% QOQ, which is primarily driven by Guinea operations, which contributed to 79% of revenue and achieved record bauxite exports of over 2 million tons in Q1 FY26. With an integrated value chain, strong R&D, and significant infrastructure in Guinea, the company is well positioned to benefit from rising global aluminum demand, which is 5 to 6% annual growth. It targets 15 metric tons per annum bauxite exports by FY27-28, backed by a planned port capacity increase from 16 to 27 metric tons per annum and further investments in iron ore beneficiation. Financials remain strong with low debt, while Indian operations are focusing on value-added products in minerals, ceramics, and specialty applications supported by a growing pipeline of innovations and opportunities from the China supply chain shift. We are long-term positive on this stock. Thank you. That's all from us. Commodity team can take the call forward.
Yes, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in yesterday's session, we had witnessed profit taking in gold and silver, and in second half, prices uh, recovered from the lows. Today, we are expecting profit taking to continue. Sell on rise is a call unless it breaks the highs of previous 2 days. So, selling gold around 1,06,700 with a stop loss of 1,07,200. On downside, again, expecting prices to test 1,06,000, 1,05,800. Silver to sell on rise around 1,24,800 to 1,25,200 zone. Selling with a stop loss of 1,26,000 and on downside expected to test 1,23,000, 122,50, 500. And in metals, copper, though prices are trading in a range bound movement from 905 to 895, one can buy with a stop loss of 895 and buying around 900 is recommended. And zinc to there could be a pullback. However, selling on rise is the view. So selling around 274.50, 275 with a stop loss of 277 is the recommended. And in crude oil, prices are supported at the lower end around 55.50. So as it is sustaining, one can buy for a pullback at 56, 5700. And again from that 5700 one can initiate a sell. Uh, in natural gas, we are expecting a pullback, so buying on dips is recommended, buying around 270 with a stop loss of 260, and on upside we are eyeing for 280 285 levels. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.